If you are trying to get started on Amazon FBA with online arbitrage, I'm going to show you in this video how you can do it in less than 10 minutes. Alright? Using really simple tools that you can find on treecodes.com from a package that is called Seller365. So, with these 10 apps, you're just going to pay $69 a month and you're going to have 10 apps that are going to allow you to do every single thing that I'm going to show you today. And we're going to start straight up with the number one thing that you need to start doing if you want to start your Amazon FBA business. Obviously, if you want to do online arbitrage, you need to find, you guessed it, products, right? So to find products, what we are going to do for our product research is we are going to use tactical arbitrage. Okay, so by the way, I have a full tutorial on tactical arbitrage. I'll put the link in the description. If you do not know this tool, what this tool will allow you to do is it will actually allow you to scan. I know it looks quite intimidating right here, right? But what it does is it allows you to actually scan websites such as Macy's.com, Fanatics, Saks Fifth Avenue, and what it will do is it will return profitable products from these websites, products that are currently profitable on Amazon. So let's look at it. Let's look at the results from this search right here from Macy's.com, and it's loading, and here we go quite fast, right? And so no data available, but if I do this, boom, I look at the advanced view, and here we go. We have some Nike shoes right here that are going to be a great example, right? On which we are actually going to make, let's open up the products and let's do our second step of the process, which is we're going to need to validate those products, right? So we're going to see how much profit we're going to make, and to validate our product, to validate that we make a profit and that we are actually going to sell that fast enough, we are going to use a second tool that is free once you get Seller365 from Treecodes, which is ScoutX, right? This tool is going to allow us to validate our product first by looking at how much profit we're going to make and look at if the price is sustainable with this chart right here. Okay, so let's get on Macy's. We get these shoes for $115, right? And so if we get them for $115, we are actually going to make $67 profit if we sell this FBA. 77 if we sell this FBM. We will need to add the prep, not the prep fee, but the shipping fee, right? So we can validate our product this way and then look at the chart and see that, yeah, the product sells for quite a lot of money. Usually it's selling, okay, it's not really selling super fast, but it's selling. So that's a product on which we can validate. We can validate that we can make a profit on this product. Now we will need to dive deeper into the offers to see who's actually selling, right? And the reviews. But that's for another video. So that's step number 2. We're going to use ScoutX to actually try to validate our product. Then what we will need to do is we actually need to list our products and ship it to Amazon. And to do all this, it's really easy. You guessed it. What we are going to do is we're going to use a third tool from Treecodes Seller365 package, which is called Inventory Lab. All right, which is right here. The great thing is that with ScoutX, we can just add products to Inventory Lab immediately just by clicking this button. And doing so will allow us to streamline our process of listing, which can take some time, right? Listing and shipping our products to Amazon. All right. By the way, link in the description. Once again, I will put a link to a video, to a full tutorial on how to use Inventory Lab. Okay. So that's our third step. We need to list and send our product to Amazon. Now, one thing that you will notice if you look at the graph right here is that the price, which is the pink line right here, on inventory on ScoutX, you'll see that the price goes up and down on a product, usually when you sell on Amazon. And so if the price goes up and down, the price is going to go to somebody that has a competitive price, right? How are you going to keep your price competitive? You need what we call a repricer. Guess what? Treecodes with Seller365 has a repricer called right here, Smart Repricer. So what this will allow you to do is it will allow you to keep the buy box. It's called the buy box, right? to make sure that you keep a competitive offer so you get as many sales as possible. You can actually optimize how many sales you will get. So that's the fourth step. Now, of course, we're going to need to do some accounting to make sure that we actually make a profit, right? Make sure that we actually make a profit, and making sure that we actually count all our fixed costs and all our variable costs, right? Guess what? You guessed it. Treecalls ads. And actually, it's one of the tools that we've talked about already, Inventory Lab. Okay? Inventory Lab. Let's get back to this right here. So Inventory Lab, and right here you can see Inventory Lab accounting right here. So they will let you do your accounting, right, with Inventory Lab. So you don't need an extra tool. You don't need all these expensive tools that you may know of if you've been running other businesses, right? You won't need any of these. And then the next part, the best part, is the reimbursement. Because one thing that will happen is that Amazon will damage your inventory, Amazon will lose your inventory, and you're going to lose some money. And you need to actually reconcile your inventory. So the great news is that Treecalls with Seller 365 has a reimbursement service, okay? And so now the thing is that you get that with the pro version of Seller 365, which is a little bit more expensive, okay? And we can get into the pricing right there. It's $199 a month. However, if you, I'm going to tell you right now, if you actually sell a decent amount, if you're above $10,000, $20,000 a month, it's pretty much going to pay for the whole, for pretty much the whole membership, okay? So what it will do is we'll actually audit, right, where you are actually probably missing on some money because of Amazon messed up on some things, right? And then what you're going to need to do is you're just going to need to submit your documentation to them, and they are going to file and make sure that you actually recover your money with Amazon, and you pay 0 commission up to $1 million in annual sales, right? While other people actually take a lot of commission on that, right? Other companies. And you get that for free with Seller 365. So these are the 5 things. This last step, if I'm being honest, and this is really important, this last step, the reimbursement, is something that if you, whether you're new or you are an advanced seller, is going to pay back for the whole plan, okay, for Seller 365. So look into it. If you are currently selling, look into it. If you're not selling just yet, start immediately by actually having a recovery service just like that, okay? Because it's going to pretty much pay for all the other things that you're going to get with the tool. And there's a lot of stuff that I haven't talked about in there. For example, where is it? If we go back here, right, boom. If we go back here, let's scroll down, right here we go. And I haven't even talked about feedback. You can just set up alerts so customers leave you feedback so it can actually grow your account faster, because getting feedbacks on Amazon is actually quite slow. Scoutify, if you want to scan products in store, you can literally use that, right? And I'm still below the 10 minutes, so I could talk about these for a long time, but what I would rather have you do is just click here and watch this full tutorial on how to actually use tactical arbitrage. I'll see you inside.